Welcome to Angkor Wat, where stone holds memory and time stands still. As the sun rises, golden light touches ancient towers, awakening a world built by faith, devotion, and dreams. Every carving tells a story. Gods, warriors, and dancers frozen in motion, reminding us of a civilization that once shaped the world. Run your fingers across these walls, and you touch centuries of hope and belief. Angkor Wat is more than a temple. It is the soul of Cambodia. It has survived wars, storms, and generations, standing strong through history's storms. Here, past and present meet. You feel small, yet deeply connected. And as you leave, you carry its quiet power with you. A reminder that true beauty never fades.